5 super healthy smoothie recipes guaranteed to make you feel great. Looking for a way to start your day that will make you feel great? Check out these 10 super healthy smoothie recipes. From antioxidant-packed green smoothies to creamy and delicious fruit smoothies, there's something here for everyone. So why not give them all a try? Who knows, you might just find your favorite new breakfast. Here are 5 of our favorite super healthy smoothie recipes. 1. Green smoothies. Smoothies are a fantastic way to start your day, especially if you make them with healthy ingredients. If you're looking for some recipes that will make you feel great, check out these green smoothies. Green smoothies are packed with nutrients and antioxidants, which can help improve your overall health. They're also a great way to get more fruits and vegetables into your diet. If you're new to green smoothies, start with a simple recipe like this one. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 cup spinach or kale leaves, 1 cup cold water or ice cubes, 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Instructions: add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy. 2. Fruit smoothies. Including a wide variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet is a great way to ensure you're getting the nutrients your body needs. However, sometimes it's hard to fit all of those healthy foods into your meals. That's where fruit smoothies come in. A fruit smoothie is a great way to get all of the nutrients from multiple fruits and vegetables in one drink. They're also a great way to add extra protein, fiber, or vitamins and minerals to your diet. And best of all, they're delicious. If you're looking for some delicious and healthy fruit smoothie recipes, check out the ones below. Guaranteed to make you feel great. 3. Dense smoothies. Smoothies are a great way to pack in nutrients and antioxidants, and they can be especially beneficial when you're looking for something filling and satisfying. If you're looking for a dense smoothie that will make you feel great, give one of these recipes a try. One of the best things about dense smoothies is that they can be customized to include your favorite ingredients. Whether you're in the mood for something fruity or chocolatey, there's sure to be a recipe that fits the bill. Here are a few of favorites. The Berry Good Smoothie. This recipe is packed with antioxidants from mixed berries, and it also includes yogurt for protein and healthy probiotics. Chocolate Banana Smoothie. This rich and creamy smoothie is perfect for an afternoon pick-me-up. 5. Anti-inflammatory smoothies. Smoothies are a great way to pack a lot of nutrients into one drink. They can be tailored to your own taste, and they're perfect for a quick and healthy breakfast or snack. Anti-inflammatory smoothies recipe ingredients: 1 cup spinach, chopped, 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon olive oil or avocado oil, ½ teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon ground cloves, 1 banana, mashed. In a blender, combine all of the ingredients and blend until smooth. Serve immediately. 5. Detoxifying smoothies. A detoxifying smoothie is a great way to start your day. They are packed with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that help your body cleanse and detoxify. Here are a few recipes to get you started. Green Detox Smoothie Recipe ingredients: 1 cup pineapple juice, 1 banana, 1 apple, cord, 1 cup spinach leaves, 1 teaspoon honey. Blend all ingredients in a blender until smooth. Serve immediately. Enjoy. Smoothies are a great way to get all of the nutrients your body needs in one easy-to-digest meal. By following the recipes provided, you can create a super healthy smoothie that will make you feel great. So what are you waiting for? Start blending. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video.